everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you some basic network commands how you can work with Ubuntu for your daily needs. First of all, open your Ubuntu system as I have installed as WSL in my system. So here just go drop down and go to Ubuntu. Just wait for a few more seconds. Yeah, now it is in. So the first command I want to show you is Ifconfig. This displays current network interface configuration. So if you just click enter, so you'll get all the details of internet configuration what you have currently. Okay. So apart from this, you can also use a command called IP, which mentions modern command for displaying and manipulating routing devices, policy and tunnels. So in this you can see IP configurations of your system, and there are many add-ons comes with IP. For example, IP and show, this command shows all IP addresses, okay, which are coming to a system. And if I want to check IP link show, in this all network interfaces will be shown. Okay, so these are the commands where you will be using for your basic need. First is if config, and another thing is IP. In this we have seen IP addr show, also IP link show. So apart from this, we'll see the network connectivity commands, that is ping. This ping command tests connectivity to another host. For example, if I just give ping, it shows usage error, destination address required. So what is destination address? The communication between two hosts, as I have told. So for this ping, you can say google.com. See, now you can check here, ping google.com, 64 bytes from this IP address is transferring. That means you are connecting to the internet. You can ask, can't I give any other website? Yes, obviously you can give, for example, amazon.in. You can see amazon.in is also workable. So in this way you can do the usage of ping command. It sends ICMP requests to the specified domain. Okay, so it's clear. One more thing is the major network connectivity test what we'll be doing is traceroute, where in this traceroute it traces the route packets take to a network host. Actually this also works as same ping, but if I press traceroute, you can see missing post operand as same as ping, but while mentioning you can see what will be the output. You can see there are 64 hops. In my future video I'll explain all these things. Okay, what are hops, what is max, what is this IP addresses. So for right now, for being understanding, it has taken 6 hops to reach the google.com server. That means initially it went to 172 and 192, then 223, 122. So like this kind of hops it has taken. So that is the meaning of hops. In this traceroute, we can know the exact detail of this IP address. Okay. Apart from this, if you want to see the network connectivity, one more thing, that is you have MTR. So this MTR combines ping and traceroute, providing a real-time view of network path. This provides real-time view for network path. So currently I have not placed anything. If I press Ctrl C, it will come back. For example, if I put google.com, you can see it combines both ping and traceroute. So this is how you can see. So if I want to revise it, first thing is if config, second thing is IP. Okay. Next, what we have seen is the network connectivity for ping, traceroute, and mtr. Okay. So these are the two major things we have seen. Then final, let us see for DNS lookup. DNS is nothing but domain name server. So in this we'll majorly use NS lookup. So in this command we'll use as same NS lookup google.com. You can by using this you can view the DNS lookup data. So by this we are clear with the basic network commands. In my future video I upload advanced network commands where you can also visit it. So right now we have seen ifconfig IP, ping, traceroute and mtr and NSLookup. So this is it today's video guys. Thanks for watching.